Hi students, today Mr. Wang will continue to talk about the chapter of 我的名字叫做貓. For the last video I talked about the paragraph 4 and also the vocabularies here. So now today I'm going to show you the questions here. We try to answer the questions and you try to do your own about all these informations, and we'll talk about the question 4 as well. So we now going look into it. Question 1. 貓真的有外衣嗎? The cat really has the jacket? Is the questions. 課文第二段為什麼會這樣寫? Why the second paragraph in the chapter write in this way? Use the jacket, okay, to describe the cat. So now we go back to the second paragraph. How you say? So the second paragraph is 每隻貓都有一件漂亮的外衣. The first sentence already tells us every cat has a very beautiful jacket. So does really the cat has the jacket? Actually no. The author just used the jacket as a parable to describe the furs of the cats. So why the author used the parables? Because when we use the parables to write, it is more interesting to the readers. So if you write an article, so try to use small parables to write it. It will be more interesting, and it will let the readers imagine easily what you are talking about. Okay, so question 2. 課文怎樣形容三種不同模式的貓? In the chapter, how to describe the 3 different colored cats. 這是運用了哪一種比喻的手法? So use what skills to write to describe. Okay, so we go back to the second paragraph again. So what are the 3 different colored cats? Okay. So we go back to the second paragraph. So now 雪白雪白的 the white cat. So the white cat looks like what? 像 means look like a small snowball. 漆黑的 so the second cat of the color, second color is black. 漆黑的 it looks like what? A gentleman wearing a formal dress. 或者兩種顏色相間 both black and white colored cats. 彷彿 look like 一個穿着花衣服的小精靈 a small elf wearing flowers of different patterns clothes. So I conclude this paragraph is there are 3 different colors. So the white cat look like a snowball. The black cat looks like a gentleman wearing the black formal dressing. Both colors, black and white, look like a small elf wearing the flowers of different patterns clothes. Okay, so the author also used the parable. So how can we know the author used parable? So we focus on this. 像 means looks like or is like or as if. Okay, and then here 彷彿 actually 彷彿 is the same meaning as 像. Okay, so you may see, oh, here that there's no 像 and there's no 彷彿. So how do we know it is a parable? Okay, because a cat cannot be a gentleman, so we can guess it. This is a parable as well. Okay, so we go back to the questions. Okay, so for the question 3, 貓的身體有哪些特點? So what characteristics of the cat's body or the features of the cat's body? 根據課文內容填寫在表格內. Based on the contents of the chapter and write in the here. Of course if you have book you can write it, but I also put all this information in a Google form. You can choose it. You can do it in the Google form as well. So I'm not going to teach you through here detail about the question 3, but I will leave this question to you to go back to the paragraph 3 to find out the questions, to find out the answers by yourself. I'm quite sure that even a non-Chinese student, if you can read detail in paragraph 3, I'm quite sure that you can still do this question very well. So I'll leave it to you. So question 4. 課文直接用貓的身份來介紹貓仔有什麼好處。The chapter directly used the cat to introduce cats. What is the benefit or the advantage of these skills? Because it will be more interesting, and the readers will think that, oh, if I'm a cat, then I will be like this, like my appearance, my outlook is like this, and I can have this talent or activities to catch the mouse. Then we'll let the readers feel more interested to read your articles. So this is the advantage of this. So I hope this video can help you know more about this chapter, and actually all these questions are very important to let you know the whole content. If you know it, I'm quite sure that you will know very fundamentally about the whole chapters. Thanks so much for watching.